What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Just copped that Hornady AP loader with some 4 or 5 cal bullets. You know, you gotta get the book too. Gotta get it all. Can't forget those. Need those with the kit. Don't forget, need the dies. Got them 308s, them 223s. 45 ACP. Gotta have all your dies. Gotta have that 45 auto. Are you ready for the next ammo shortage? Gotta have it. Gotta get him all. Get the whole kit. Lock and load, AP loader. Never done this before. It's gonna be the first time. So it should be fun. You know, a new challenge. Learn how to load my own ammo. Whole lot of research you gotta do though. But, you know, as a beginner, it's gonna be fun. Something to learn. Something you gotta take in. You gotta do it yourself, man. Everything else costs money. Why pay money when you could just learn how to do it yourself? That way you ain't gotta worry about no ammo shortages. You ain't gotta worry about none of that. Do it yourself and stay on top. Be your own gunsmith, man. Load your own ammo. Fix your own guns. Now it takes us a little bit of time, a little bit of learning, a little bit of research. But yeah, new content coming soon. I'm gonna show y'all once I get the basics done. Show y'all how to load up some ammo. But hit that subscribe and that like button. You know, can't get right. Hit that like button. Hit it 2 times. Don't forget to subscribe. New content coming soon. We out.